Here we have a 2019 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2.0 bi-turbo. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked Riviera alloy wheels in 20-inch, and now they're all wrapped in Autotrader off-road tyres. With the daylight running LED side lights, the Raptor style front grille, we also have the nudge bar just down there at the bottom. Wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle really does make this car stand out from the rest. Now we do have the roof bars on the front and on the rear on the Truckman cab, side steps on either side, black window trim with privacy glass on the rear. Now we do also have that rear boot spoiler just up there as well. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Going to the back Truckman cab, you can see we do have a nice amount of room in there, as you can see just there. You do also have the dampered rear tailgate. Put it down, you can see it dampering there. Now popping that back down, you can see that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. If we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now, as you can see, we do have the full leather interior throughout, with the fabric accents, ISOFIX points, pull down armrest just in the centre, with 2 nice sized cup holders, storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat. You also have your 230 and 12 volt connectivity down there as well. Electric windows just on the doors all around this car. And there's a look at the driver's front seat, which is electrically adjustable, and both driver and passenger seats are also heated. Electric windows just there. Jumping inside the car, looking down there, you have your auto lights, you do also have your power folding wing mirrors. Foot on the brake, you do have keyless start in this vehicle, and you do have a multifunction steering wheel just there as well, where you can find you do have cruise control and speed limiter just there on the right hand side. You also have your lane keeping assist just at the end there. Now, as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 33,620 miles. Now, going to the centre screen, you can see we do have your satellite navigation, where you can also find on controls in audio. You have your DAB radio. Click on source. You can also find AM, FM, DAB, CD, and also Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control just there as well, which is dual zone, working exactly how you would expect it to. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation again, mobile apps, and in settings you can find all these different settings just here, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have ambient lighting, so click on that one. You can see we do have 7 different colours to choose from. Pop car into reverse, you can see front of rear parking sensors, visual display top right, and your rear reversing camera just there. You also have the line that leads up to the tow bar to make it a lot easier to line up for that tow bar. Now, speaking of screens, we do have screens on the left and on the right hand side of the instrument cluster. Left hand side, you can power entertainment, navigation and phone. Then on the right hand side, you can have all your different bits of driving information. Coming down here, we have another control panel for your dual zone climate control. A nice addition to have as well as being up there. 2 heated front seats working exactly how you would expect them to. Now, you do have a heated front windscreen, so for those cold frosted over mornings when you do have a frosted over windscreen, click that button and within minutes it will be defrosted. 2 12 volt connectivities, 2 USB ports down there. Parking sensor, stop start on and off, traction control, and you also have rear diff lock and downhill ascent assist. 2-wheel drive height, 4-wheel drive height, and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice size cup holders just in there, and you also have storage just in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers front seats again with the fabric accents. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2-litre turbo diesel. Now, the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to left or to the right hand side. Now, I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. Now, to activate, simply just press set and I'll go to nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by 1. And then you can go and use the plus and minuses to go through all those different speeds so you can find your selected speed. Now, at the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're test driving this vehicle today. Now, on the end of the indicator stock, we do have your lane keeping assist. Now, you can have it on or off. It's entirely up to you. Now, that'll bring you, if shot drifting off to left or the right on the side of the road, it'll bring you back into the centre to keep you nice and safe in the centre of the road. Now, we do have a very, very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle. Now, you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles and still get out feeling fresh. Our 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. Now, staying on the cold winter mornings, we do also have a heated front windscreen. Very nice addition to have. Say you have a frosted over windscreen in the morning and you're in a rush to work, simply press that button and within minutes the whole windscreen will be defrosted. Simply just tap your wipers and then it'll clear all water off the windscreen, making it nice and easy, so you're getting your hands cold or chucking water on your windscreen. Now we have a centre screen just there as well, where you can find the satellite navigation, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity. We have DAB radio, rear reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have the ambient lighting all over the interior of the vehicle, which you control from just the centre screen. You have a lot of bits of interior bits on the screen for the interior. We have dual zone climate control, keyless start from a touch button just down there. We also have your off-road modes, so you do have your two-wheel drive high for normal day-to-day driving, four-wheel drive high and also four-wheel drive low. You do also get rear diff lock and downhill ascent assist, so you do really have lots of different features on this vehicle for off-roading, as it is a very, very capable off-roader, especially matched with the all-terrain off-road tyres that we do have on it currently. It is a very, very good off-road vehicle. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 450 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now I'm coming to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform a emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show the brakes work exactly how I expect them to, and you see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just waiting for traffic to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in and do the emergency stop. So in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there on the centre, back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what I'm with it, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this What I'm With It video test drive. To hear from you soon. Cheers.